Hello, and a very warm welcome back to Slow English with Mr. Moro. My name is Mr. Moro, and I am so happy you are here with me today for what is going to be a very fun lesson. Today we are going to do something a little different. Today we are going to take one word out of your English vocabulary to make your English sound much stronger. That's right, one small word can make a huge difference. The word is very. We all use it. The weather is very nice. I am very tired. The movie was very good. It is a useful word, but it is a beginner's word. And you are ready to take the next step. You are ready to sound more natural, more confident, and more fluent. So today, I will give you some beautiful, powerful, and easy new words to use instead of very. This one small change will make your English sound amazing. This is your English upgrade. Let's begin. Okay, first, let us talk about why we want to stop saying very. Very is not a bad word. It is not a mistake. But it is a weak word. Imagine you are painting a picture. The word good is the color blue. When you say very good, you are just adding a little more of the same color. It is a light blue. But what if you could use a completely new color? A deep, rich, beautiful blue. Instead of very good, you could use a word like fantastic. That is a powerful color. It is more exciting and more descriptive. We are not just adding more, we are choosing a better word. We are making our English more colorful. So, let us learn some of these new beautiful colors for our vocabulary. We will look at 5 of the most common very phrases. The first one is very good. We say this all the time. The food was very good. The book was very good. So, what are some new, colorful words we can use instead of very? Here are 3 beautiful words. You can say wonderful. For example, the party was wonderful. Excellent. Your English is excellent. Fantastic. We saw a fantastic movie last night. Wonderful, excellent, fantastic. They are so much more powerful than very good. Okay, let us do the opposite. We often say very bad. The traffic was very bad. Instead of saying very bad, you can use these strong words. Terrible. I had a terrible headache. Awful. The smell from the garbage was awful. Next, a feeling we all love, very happy. I was very happy to see my friend. To show you are more than just happy, you can say, thrilled. I was thrilled to get the new job. Delighted. She was delighted with her birthday gift. They sound like you are jumping with joy, don't they? Okay, a feeling I know we all have. Very tired. Next time, instead of very tired, you can say exhausted. After the long walk, I was completely exhausted. And for our final upgrade today, describing size, we often say very big. To make that sound more impressive, you can say huge. I saw a huge dog in the park. Enormous. The shopping mall was enormous. So, we have all these new powerful words, but how do we remember to use them? Learning them is the first step. Using them is the second. My best advice is to choose one word to practice for a whole week. Just one. So this week, you will not say very good. Every time you want to say it, you will stop and you will say wonderful instead. This coffee is wonderful. You did a wonderful job. After a week, it will start to feel normal, easy. Then, the next week, you can choose a new word, like terrible. It's a slow and steady way to build a strong vocabulary. You are upgrading your English one word at a time. And that is our guide to upgrading your English by saying goodbye to the word very. Remember, your English is already good. These new words are just tools to make your good English sound even more powerful and natural. Don't be afraid to try them. The first time you use a new word, it might feel a little strange, but after you use it 2 or 3 times, it will become your word. You will own it. You are not just a beginner anymore. You are becoming a powerful, colorful, and confident English speaker. And I am so very proud of you. And now, I have a question for you. Go to the comments below. I want you to tell us about something you did recently, but you must use one of the new words from today's lesson. For example, you could write, I watched a fantastic movie, or after work, I was exhausted. I can't wait to read your powerful new sentences. Thank you for joining me for this special lesson on Slow English with Mr. Moro. Keep practicing and keep making your English more colorful. I will be back soon. Goodbye for now.